कावर्ड, टिमिड, फेयरफुल, क्रेवन, गटलेस, स्पाइनलेस,
क्योंकि हमारे भारत में शिष्य और गुरु की प्रथा।
क्रेजी, इंसान, लॉन्टिक, फ्रंटिंग, फ्रेनिक, मैनिक।
I will ask you a question like your personality. Could you please? Okay guys, today I want to show you some extraordinary students of my class. They have groomed themselves within 15 days in vocabulary. We have a vocabulary booster. We just taught them only 30% of the vocabulary, and I will show you today. They will slay the stage, right? They are very perky and vivacious. Let's see. Good morning. These are the students today. They will show their performance, right? What they have learned within 15 days. I will ask them vocabulary, and they will tell me 10 words of each word. If I ask them any word, they will just tell me the 10 words of that words. That would be very exotic. That would be very ununderstandable things. So let's start. शुरू करें? Yes, sir. आज today I will not teach you anything. Today I will ask you. Today I will ask you. So how many of you will give me answer of my questions? Yes, sir. Wow, there are so many students. They are going to give me answer of my question. That would be very wonderful. So let's start from. किसी से पूछ सकता हूँ मैं? किसी से भी? किसी से भी? किसी से भी? Okay. So we will start from Vaishnavi. Let's begin for Vaishnavi. Okay, so I will ask you one word. You have to tell me 10 words of that word. 10 शब्द बताना पड़ेगा. Are you ready to give me answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please stand up, ma'am. क्या आप मुझे कायर के 10 शब्द बता सकते हो?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take this.
Coward, timid, fearful, craven, gutless, spineless, pusillanimous, faint-hearted, chicken-hearted, yellow-bellied.
Oh my lord! क्या समझा? गब्बर खुश होगा? शाबाशी देगा? अरे खुश होगा? Let's begin for us. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Ununderstandable, unimaginable, unremarkable, unpredictable performance was given by Vaishnavi. Let's move to the another one. Okay, sit down. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Once again, बहुत बढ़िया. अगला question that I'm going to ask you, any one of you, right? I will ask a question to. किससे पूछूं? रेणुका. Let's begin for रेणुका. रेणुका, आप मुझे बताओ सुंदर के लिए शब्द 10 शब्द बताना है, एक नहीं 10 वर्ड्स बताना है.
Okay, sir.
टेक इट.
Gorgeous, lovely, stunning, attractive, pretty, charming, alluring, captivating, and enchanting, and next is eye-catching.
ओह बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. कोशिश अच्छे रहे उनके. Could you please make one sentence of this word? Any one of them?
Yes, sir. That lady is gorgeous.
That lady is very gorgeous. Okay. So now moving to the next one. Let me ask you a question. एक शब्द जिसके 10 शब्द चाहिए हुए मुझे. कितने चाहिए? 10. कितने चाहिए? 10. मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम मेरा रिकॉर्ड तोड़ो. I want you to break my record. क्योंकि हमारे भारत में शिष्य और गुरु की प्रथा अनंत कालों से चली आ रही है. अनंत कालों से चली आ रही है. राघवेंद्र को कोई नहीं जानता, लेकिन महाराणा प्रताप को हर कोई जानता है. राघवेंद्र महाराणा प्रताप जी के गुरु थे, राइट? उसी प्रकार बलराम को लोग कम जानते हैं, लेकिन दुर्योधन और भीम को हर कोई जानता है. परशुराम को कम जानते हैं, लेकिन कर्ण का नाम सबसे ऊपर आता है. हनुमान जी का नाम सबसे पहले आता है, राम जी का बाद में आता है. तो देखो, गुरु और शिष्य की प्रथा है. मतलब गुरुओं ने अपना सर्वोच्च न्यौछावर कर दिया शिष्य को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, और हम चाहते हैं कि आप हमारा रिकॉर्ड तोड़ो. यू हैव टू बिकम अ रिकॉर्ड ब्रेकर, राइट? You should not follow anybody. You have to break the record, and you are only the one who can break the record, who can make record. So let's from here. I will ask you. Vaishnavi. Sorry, वर्षा. तो अब हम लोग वर्षा से पूछेंगे. एक शब्द में पूछूंगा. 10 वर्ड बताइए. कितने बताएंगे? ओके, तो वर्षा आप मुझे बताओ. पागल के लिए 10 शब्द बताओ.
Crazy, insane, lolling, frantic, frenetic, manic, deranged, demented, irrational, then unhinged. For example, he is an insane person.
Very good, excellent, बहुत बढ़िया. We should not become unhinged. by becoming unhinged, that is not actually good for us. बहुत बढ़िया. Let's begin for us. Okay. Now I'm moving to the next boys. Let me ask Kuldeep. I will ask Kuldeep, you are very tall, long. I will ask you a question like your personality. Could you please tell me 10 words for Chalak?
Yes, sir. Cunning, clever, sly, crafty, deceptive, duplicitous, devious, artful, sly, and artful. Sir, once again. Cunning, clever, sly, crafty, deceptive, duplicitous, devious, artful, wily, and astute.
Astute. Could you please make sentences?
Yes, sir. जैसे I am artful, he is very clever.
And you are very sly and crafty person. Oh, that's good. Okay, fine. Chalo, you are trying best. Okay, now I am moving to the next one. Bhupendra, could you please tell me the भूपेंद्र के लिए कौन सा शब्द है? आप मुझे बताओ भूपेंद्र से क्या पूछो? खुश के लिए. भूपेंद्र खुश के लिए शब्द बताओ.
Yes, sir. Happy, joyful, cheerful, blissful, jubilant, euphoric, elated, delighted, and last is thrilled.
बहुत बढ़िया. Excellent. Now बस्कर से कौन सा शब्द पूछा जाए? आलसी.
Yes, sir.
आलसी के बारे में शब्द, मतलब आलसी के लिए 10 शब्द बताओ.
Ideal, indolent, slothful, sluggish, inactive, apathetic, lethargic, and torpid, and languid.
बहुत बढ़िया. Could you please make one sentence?
Yes, my brother is very ideal.
My brother is very idle. He doesn't work. He just sleeps all the time. He does nothing but sleeping. Okay. Now I'm moving to the next one, and who will give me answer of my next question? What's your name?
Sir, my name is Vijay Shri Mali.
विजय श्री माली तुमसे पूछना चाहिए. क्या पूछूं विजय श्री. कठिन पूछूं? अच्छा, आप मुझे बताओ पवित्र के लिए 10 शब्द.
Sir, holy, sacred, pure, clean.
फिर से आवाज आ फिर से.
Holy, sacred, pure, clean, chaste, virtuous, saintly, consecrated, divine, pristine, and pious.
And could you please make one sentence?
Mahatma Gandhi's mother was very pious lady.
बहुत बढ़िया. Excellent. Let's begin forward. Now I'm going to ask another one. Are you ready to give me answer my question? I hope that you all are actually perky. You all are actually vivacious to give answer of my question. I want you very, very, very nerving student, right? And it's my responsibility to make you nerving student. And within 15 days, within 1 month, not 15 days, within 1 month, 15 days have been completed, right? Now 15 left. So within 15 days, we have to become something quite different. We have to make a record, right? We have to become some kind of unimaginable student of this class, right? Within 15 days, we will complete all the vocabulary and we will be very good at vocabulary, right? And we will make a record. If you have the, अब बहुत सारे बच्चे सोंगे इतने शब्द सर क्या करेंगे? शब्द रट के क्या करेंगे? रटना नहीं है, समझना है. उनको यूज करना है. शब्दों का जो प्रभाव पड़ता है ना दोस्तों, शब्द क्यों जरूरी है? देखो, शब्द इसलिए जरूरी है. इफ यू यूज न्यू वर्ड इन योर सेंटेंसेस, आई वुड रिपीट माय सेंटेंस. इफ यू यूज न्यू वर्ड्स इन योर सेंटेंसेस, यू कैन पुट एन इंडेलिबल इम्पैक्ट ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर लिसनर, राइट? एक ऐसा इम्पैक्ट डालोगे जो कभी नहीं मिटता, अमिट. इसलिए शब्द होना जरूरी है. ओके, लेट्स बिगिन फ्रॉम सुमित से कौन सा शब्द पूछे? कौन सा पूछे? जासूस के लिए 10 शब्द बताओ.
डिटेक्टिव, इन्वेस्टिगेटर, इंक्वायरर, स्पाई, स्लूथ, प्रोबर और स्पियोनाज और एजेंट.
Espionage. Could you make one sentence? One of them from.
Aman is a detective.
Aman is a detective, and Ajit Doval has been a good espionage in Pakistan. That's very good. Okay, now Archana. अर्चना से कौन सा शब्द पूछे? अर्चना से कौन सा शब्द पूछे? अर्चना से कौन सा शब्द पूछे? बोलो.
क्या बता सर?
अर्चना से कौन सा शब्द पूछे? अर्चना, तुतलाने के लिए 10 शब्द बोले.
स्टैम्बर, स्टैटर, लिप्स,
Felter, hesitate, Istanbul, articulation disorder.
Articulation disorder.
Disorder.
It's also a phrase. Stutter, stammer, है ना? So these are the words of Tutlana. If you are speaking but you are unable to speak clearly, means you are stuttering, you are stammering. There is a problem in your tongue. Your tongue is a lisping. That's why you are unable to speak clearly. Okay, that's very good. Let's begin for her. अब कौन बचा है? कौन बोलेगा? तुम बोलोगे? रितु बोलेगी। रितु से 10 शब्द पूछे जाए। बताओ इनसे क्या पूछे? बोलो जल्दी बोलो। हाँ बोलो तो। आवारा के लिए 10 शब्द बताओ।
ड्रिफ्टी, नोमेड, वंडरर, रोमर, रोम्बलर, ट्रेम्प, लोफर एंड होगो रोग.
होबो, बहुत बढ़िया, एक्सेलेंट. Okay, so these are the students who spoke 10 words for one word. Okay, if you want to improve your English, if you want to make your English incisive, you must have the words. So this is only one coaching which is running in Khandwa, which is known as Diamond Education Group, and it has been running since 2005, right? It has actually groomed thousands of students in Khandwa, and it has actually very unbelievable result of these coaching classes. If you come these coaching classes, if you come regularly, definitely guys, you will get the result within 4 months. You will get the drastic result in yourself. If you are weak at English, we are here not to fear. We will make you incisive in English. So what are you waiting for? Numbers are given in the description box. Just go there and get the information from these coaching classes, or you can visit these coaching classes, right? So this is the address that I have given you. Thank you very much for watching this video.